mtu. Hawezi kuwa wamekaa njaa hapo na kuna chakula kwa meza. Wana
Yes, hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, depending with the time you're watching this particular video. Yeah, so today we're going to do some live coding and debugging. Yeah, I want us today to deploy an ICP canister. I'm actually participating in a botathon in ICP where we're going to create a bot for Openchat. Yeah, you can try and find out more about the Openchat. It's an social media platform for ICP and Web3. Yeah, so today we're going to dive deep into that. Yeah, I haven't done this before, so like it's something new. I want us to like do it together. Yeah, so keep it locked as I set up the everything, and I'll keep you posted when we start it. Yeah. I trust and believe that you're able to see my screen. I'm actually using this for the first time, and now I want to show um, the screen. Okay, for now we'll have just to use the enemy. For now we'll just have to use this one screen. It's okay. Yeah, so let's dive deep into it. So I'm using WSL and Windows. So it's WSL simply stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Yeah, so let me log into the Ubuntu because apparently for you to run or deploy these particular canisters, it only supports Linux or a Linux based system, so you cannot run it on Windows. That's why if you're using Windows, you like have to download WSL and then you install it inside the WSL. Yeah, so this is the home page of just home of my Linux or Ubuntu. Yeah, so let me just see the directory. That is the final directory. So if you wanna have this particular directory, this open_chat, you can visit this visit this repository under ICP Hub Kenya. Just clone it. You copy this particular code, then git clone, then you paste it, then it will clone it for you. Then after you have git cloned it, if you're using WSL, you're going to run these commands just to install some dependencies for Rust. Yeah, and then install these other ones. Then you proceed after you've already cloned this particular repo, or maybe you can just run this, then you clone it. So if you copy this one, it will clone and then cd that particular directory. Yeah, so I have already done that. Now I'm going to start this one. I'm going to run the fx start clean background. This is just to run the backend canister on this terminal. Hit enter. Yeah, now it's running. So if you go back to the repo, you're being told that ensure you run this script in a new terminal, different from the one that you ran the dfx. Yeah, so I'm going to copy this script, then open a new terminal. For me, I'll just have to open another terminal of Ubuntu or version over there, then cd the directory. I'm going to paste the script and let it run. Yeah, so if you're running it for the first time, it's going to download other dependencies. It's going to take some good time to download, then you just have to be patient with it as it downloads. Yeah, it also requires a very strong internet, so ensure you have a very strong internet. If you don't have a strong internet, you're going to experience uh, some errors that you shouldn't experience. But if you're using an Ubuntu Kali Linux, you should be having a very smooth process. Yeah, as you can see, this is the front end canister that is already picking up or maybe it has already linked with the backend canisters. You can see they're running. uh, let's give it a few minutes. Yeah, as I had as I had said earlier, like for instance, this is the first time I'm doing this. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the repo and see what we are supposed to do next. So once the script executes successfully, run the front end. So you cd that particular front end. If you list the directories that are in that particular directory, or maybe if you list the files, you'll see the front end directory. Then you cd it into it, then you run it. So I just okay, let's just give it a minute and see what's happening. You can see download sign in with Ethereum, downloading event store, sign in with Solana, sign in with email. Okay. Ask for more SNS. Yeah, it got 0 SNS instances. All right, not really sure what that is again. So yeah, let's wait and see. So this is just a demo of the Openchat or Openchat platform. So this is just a demo. We haven't really started the coding part. Like we are just running it, and then we see if it's going to if the front end is going to work. Once we deploy we manage to view the front end part of it, then we're going to start doing uh, now our coding part. For instance, it depends with the idea that you wanna put across or implement. um, we have several ideas that we are supposed to venture into. The first one is you can create a bot that can do, for instance, trading. It can show real-time statistics or real-time value of uh, a particular coin. You can do NFTs. You can do something on NFTs. You can do about that. It's basically for entertainment. Uh, Under the entertainment, you can maybe create a gaming bot or a trivia bot. Um, then you can as well do, which is this other one. Yeah, you can do an AI agent, AI bot, the one that can communicate with the clients. Yeah, with that you can maybe connect it to LLMS. Yeah, you can see it has been successful. These are the following defects to send content file into metadata, meta name, candidate service. Okay, let's add this to our file. Yeah, so what you do, we're going to open it with the VS Code. I hope it's not going to download again. Yeah, it will open. Give it a minute. Oh, my computer is running out of storage. Let me first check out the amount of storage that is remaining, because it can die at any time. 200 MB. This is so low. Yeah, let's check out the name again. Again, this running these canisters requires a very powerful machine. Yeah. Can add it at the end here. Just put a comma. Yeah, there you go. Now let's go back to the browser. Then see, yeah, you see the front end, then npm run dev. Yeah. I think it should provide us a link, for instance, a link that is this link, but when we click it, it's going to like take us to the browser and maybe display this. I hope it does. Let's wait and see. In the meantime, we don't have space. Okay, let's just risk it. Yeah, it's taking a lot of time. Let's check out again the space that we're having right now. 4 MBs. No, we can't continue apparently. Let me just check my recycle bin. Okay. Awesome, we have 700 MBs. Okay, I think we can use that. What's happening? Making call to get transactions. Okay. Yeah, these are signatures. Yeah, what's happening? Still running. Skipping integrity check. Forget dependencies. Yeah, the moment you SSH maybe a repo from Git, like you have to authenticate that you are this is you and you're trying to like retrieve something from it. So you can set up in such a way that you set up a phrase. So for instance, if I just run this SSH git at GitHub and the repo, it will ask me for a phrase. Then when I input the phrase, it will authenticate successfully and maybe download the contents of the repo or maybe give me access to the repo. Yeah. Yeah, as it's still running, let's check out this particular repo. Yeah, so you can create an off-chain bot or maybe an on-chain bot. On-chain bot is you link it to the ICP. For the off-chain, I think you just run it locally on your machine. Yeah. So after this creating an option new, now the next step is to check out the pre-chatbot repo. Run the chatbot repo. Then simply move into any of the examples that are there. We run the dice example. Get a new identity that you'll use for the bot. Yeah. The identity again is just for auth and to identify who you are. We're using plain text mode to be able to see this seed phrase. Okay. You can explore the identity of this particular file. Okay. Yeah, it's quite a lengthy process. Yeah, but then it's about that one. It's a competition. You have to run it. You have to implement your idea successfully. Yeah, it's not so simple. Yeah, it's a handful of steps that that we have. Yeah, I hope it executes successfully. We're currently here. Let's have a look at it. Still executing. Then we can check our space. That means we don't have space. Oh no, I'll have to stop the process because my machine's gonna die. It's gonna die. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. Let me just end this just to save my